everybody, Brian back here with a look at Myro. Alright, over this overall move here. Let's pull this across. Alright, we expected a breakthrough this area right here. Right, this is becoming pretty decent resistance. Double top. Looks like an M formation right here. It could end up having a double bottom on this thing. M formation. Boom, looks like an M. Alright, them are usually bearish. Which one is a W formation for a double bottom? But looks like we could get a double bottom in here. Alright, this thing could end up double bottoming and running up. Alright, overall, the first time we were looking at this, oops, I apologize. Let me get that off there. I was looking at a 5-wave down here, alright, and we didn't get that. Could this be the 5th wave coming? Still, you know, it never took out this high that we were talking about over there. All right, definitely want to see it take that high out from back on August the 8th. I think that's super important. If not, this thing could end up finishing this 5th wave here. All right, especially if Bitcoin. You know, Bitcoin, we had over 300 million in liquidations on this thing. Everybody was expecting the same thing. Okay, you don't always get them right. That's just how charting is. That's welcome to crypto, right? This thing ended up coming up. We were looking for a bounce off of prior resistance, now as support, and heading up. All right. Well, everybody thought the same thing. Obviously, we had a target here for this wedge. All right, take the inside of the wedge, put it up here for a target. You know, we had a target up here, 69,000. You know, never even got close. Went up to what, 65. Right now, this thing is rolled over. What's going to happen from here? Well, quite honestly, I'm looking for some kind of retracement here. I don't see any 5-wave down here, even on an hourly. Just kind of a straight rollover here. All right, so looking for a push up here. We have bullish divergence down here in the bottom. You can see it. Let me show you this trend line here. All right, we have this high, and we have a higher high. Then we have a higher high from there on the bottom. Here we have this low, and we have a lower low right here. So you have bullish divergence on the RSI. You know, which usually means a push up. All right, what I'll be looking for here, what you want to see is a push back up towards the 618 and 702 and see a break of that. This could end up being a big ABC. All right, if Bitcoin, let's say it, you know, nobody knows for sure. Let's say this thing runs back up to a 702. All right, then gets rejected. You have an AB. Then you have a pull down to $55,000. Stick with me here, please. Please, please, please. All right, 55. That would be, then you would have your ABC. Now, let me show you something. Sometimes, you know, if you look and dig deep enough, and, all right, say this does the A, the B, and the C. Would there be anything else that could tell us that could be going on here? Well, yeah. We can take a measurement. Let's get this out of here. All right, the pullback would be right to here. All right, right down to if it ABCs. Okay, what do we got? 60, 55, 7. Now, if we take a fib, go from our swing low right here. Hang in there, guys. Please check this out. Go to our top. Right there. What do we got? We got just about a 618 Fibonacci. So maybe it goes to just a 618 up here. Let's remeasure this real quick. Yeah, we go from our top. Say it goes to there, pulls back up. Okay, at a 702. What if it only goes to a 618? All right, then it's going to go a little deeper. Then that would make sense with a right there. 618 pullback right to the 618, 55,000. That would put the market in extreme fear, wouldn't it? 55,000 right around there. That would be your ABC. If it does that, okay, we'll see. We'll see what happens. But you have your 4-hour and your 8-hour heading up. 4-hour RSI on Bitcoin. It's starting to roll over a little bit though too. All right, so keep an eye on it here. 4-hour is technically still 77 and an 82 right now. The 8-hour right at the bottom. 12-hour just about at the bottom. All right, so looking for some sort of retracement here. We'll see what happens. All right, so if it gets back up here to 62.7, 62.8, watch for a possible rejection. I might be looking to short this thing if it's looking that way. That'd be a nice move. This C leg. If you're interested in that, guys, sign up for a level 3 membership. Come join us in Discord and start trading some of these moves. I'm in a Bitcoin trade right now. All right, now Myro. Well, first off, let me show you something else here. I thought this was pretty cool. They call me the crypto president. That's what Trump said. Trump said people call him that now. Trump is selling more $99 NFT trading cards to the mega faithful. Donald Trump announced his digital trading cards are backed by popular demand, this time with the theme America First. The new collection features 50 different NFT baseball cards, all depicting images of Trump as a man of absurd power. From him riding a motorcycle, to dressed as a superhero, to wearing American flag-colored boxing gloves. This is the 4th series of NFT trading cards Trump has released, which he says have generated millions of dollars with each launch. These cards show me dancing and even holding some bitcoins, Trump said in an infomercial style ad. That's pretty cool. It's funny because when he did the Bitcoin conference, he said, let you guys go and play with your bitcoins. It made it almost sound like we were little children. Each card sells for $99 and comes with captions like the greatest of all time, Super Trump and Crypto President. The website for the cards states the NFTs are not political and have nothing to do with any campaign, meaning Trump will pocket the proceeds. According to his 2022 financial disclosure, the former president made 6 figures, at least, from selling NFTs in 2022. Must be nice to be popular, huh? I like him. I don't want to go down that road. I don't talk about politics and all that, but over on the crypto bulls. I apologize. My wife texting me. She's at work. Big shout out to 8 Days of Hope. What a great bunch of people, man. They're next door helping the neighbor get their basement. They've been up here, I don't know, for a couple weeks now, helping people. We had a catastrophic flood in the town I'm at. I mean, bad, guys. I'm not talking a slow rising flood. I'm talking a raging river, like you never seen. Like if it got you, you're done. It killed 4 people. It was pretty, but these people are all volunteers, and what great people, man, to volunteer their time to come help other people. Big shout out, and to the Red Cross, what a great, and the Salvation Army, and PEMA. All them organizations were here, and just unbelievable, man. I can't say enough. Thank you so much, guys. You've helped people in a really bad time stay sane. So big shout out to them. We got dogs in the top 100 here with the biggest move. What's the market cap on this thing? 1.97 billion. Unbelievable. In volume, market cap is 733 million. Almost 2 billion in volume. 2 billion in volume for dogs. And let's see here. Where's XRP? Right here. 1.7 billion. It had more in volume than XRP had. And XRP's ranked number 7 with a $32 billion market cap. And this thing had 1.97 billion volume. Unbelievable, isn't it? Absolutely absurd. All right, let's see where Myro is at on here. Number 441. I like the higher ranked coins. That's where you make your money. Market cap 64.5 million. If you buy something with a $10 billion market cap, what do you think? Maybe you might get a 5x, a 10x. If you buy something with a $64 million, and this is not financial advice, guys, not at all. All right, treat me You know, don't go with your gut. Don't listen to a thing I say or anybody else says. You know, learn how to chart and do this stuff yourself. I'm telling you, you know, for my videos, they're not all flashy. You know, the 14.99 deal. But you will learn, man. You will learn. There's other people out there selling this stuff for $700. You know, you get over 10 hours of videos and a link to the Discord for a level 3 membership. Go learn how to trade and come join us. You know, $64 million market cap. What's your chances on you know, a 20x on this? That would put it at what, 1.2 billion, 1.3 billion, something like that, at 20x. All right. But you can see a lot more than that out of this thing. You know, if you go to this chart, you know, and you go out, let's just zoom out. All right, say it's a bear market. I'm looking for something decent to make some money on. Come across Myro. Here it is. All right, I'm looking at this thing. Big ABC, ABC. I should have marked the bottom in there. All right, now if I'm looking for a price target for this, put a fib on this thing, and I'm thinking, well, geez, Myro, this thing could go to what, $1.70, $1.70. All right, where's it at right now? 6 cents, 7 cents, $1.70. It could go. What's that? 100x. This thing could do 100x in a bull run. Not, once again, not financial advice. That's how you get price targets, though. All right, that's if when you're going through these in the bear market, you look at them, 4.236, $1.70. And does this thing work? Well, let me show you. Just for instance, okay, just hang with me, please. Just learn something here. And if you already know it, you know. But I'm going to show you the easiest one that instead of going through a bunch of tokens. All right, here's Cardano, which I held a lot of, man. I love Cardano. All right, let's look at this. This is on a monthly. All right, say back in 2017, you were looking at Cardano. You were wondering where it was going to go the next bull run. Here it hit. What it hit, $1.31. All right, if you put a fib on that big long wick. All right, what's that give you? Not even close, huh? Let's give it a target. Well, let's just try to grab that bottom as best we can. Right, let's just throw her there. This said it was going to go to $5.60. No, you don't use that wick. All right, that's you don't use that. That's just volatility, and you go from the top here where right about. I'm trying to get it on this wick right about there. All right, look at that, pretty close. Went to what was the high? 313, I think it says there. 309. Yeah, about 313. Gave it a target of 326. Not too bad, huh? Came damn close. I'd be happy with that. Bitcoin chart does the same exact thing. You know, and if you're looking for a target for ADA for this run, you know, if we get our run here and our bull run, look how beaten down this thing is. All right, this thing could possibly, you know, if I'm saying, look at this, we're riding the bottom down here. Cardano could go up to $12.34 from 30. You know, what is that? 30 cents. That's a 40x. 40x. Look where it's at down here. 38 cents. Just riding the bottom here, just down this lower range. You know, it's where you buy stuff, man. That's you know, if I was looking to buy Cardano, I would be looking at it right now. I mean, it is just beat down. It looks great to me. You know, if you're buying it, if you're holding it, this ain't so great. Went through a 786, went down through it. Wow, you know. But I love Cardano. Anyway, that shows you, even on Bitcoin here, you know, just to give you a little bit more confidence with this theory. All right, let's pull Bitcoin down. Let's get this stuff off here. 2017. So let me show you this thing on BS. All right, back here in 2017, you had a high of 19. Let's go with that. Pull this over. Right about there's the bottom. Look at this. All right, back here in 2021, gave a target of 74. Should be 72 if it's right on. All right, ended up going up to 69. Then look at this. We have actually come up and hit the full extension now. You know, believe me, I've seen this for sure. But 1, 2, 3, 4. I still say that fifth wave up is coming. All right, now with Myro, that just gives you an idea, guys. If I was looking at something to buy 4 cents with a potential target of $1.70, yeah, I'd be very, very happy with that. That's over 100x, right? That'd be $1.40, 100x. Yeah, it's over 100x. So let's take a look. Let's zoom in here. All right, you could. The weekly is at a 3 and a 2. It's bullish on the 5-day, bullish 3-day. Oops, sorry, that's 1 day. We went to 3-day. 3-day, 22 and a 20. It looks good. All right, so we have the weekly, the 5-day, and the 3-day look good. The daily is pulling down. 12-hour, just about reset, almost at the bottom, and the 8 and a 4 are on the bottom. Okay, so could potentially be reaching a bottom here, right? I see it looks like 5 waves in here. If you go on a lower time frame, yeah, there's a 1, 2. You know, the question is that a 3 and a 4 here and a 5? Maybe. It could end up coming back down here and double bottoming down here too. You know, I hope it holds this bottom and this doesn't 5 wave down here. All right, watching for it to hold 0.062. Hopefully it holds right here and bounces. Do we have any bullish divergence here on the bottom or anything to go on? We have this low. Yeah, we do have bullish divergence. All right, on the 1 hour. Let's look on the 4 hour. We have that low and a higher low over here. Not really. Kind of. I mean, we do if you zoom in on it. There's bullish divergence in there. You have this low here and then a higher low coming in. You have this low and a lower low. So you have bullish divergence on the 1 and 4. Getting very oversold. 8 hour. No bullish divergence here, but it's definitely, you got this low and definitely a higher low over here. You know, it's not even, I'd be worried that it was going to go lower if this was down approaching this area, but look how much higher this low is coming in here. You know, it's not near as low as over here, so that gives me hope that this thing's going to, is potentially close to a bottom here. Even the daily, that low and a higher low still looks all right with these lows. I keep an eye on that RSI because say you have, let me show you. There we go. Sorry. Say you have this low here, right? Always keep an eye on this, guys, because it'll give you a hint. Say you have this low here, all right? Right now we have a higher low over here, which we should. The price action is the same. But if you have this coming down and it is ended up getting lower than this low over here, but on price it's still up here, but the RSI is getting lower than this low here, you better get out, or you have a good short coming, okay? Because it's got to come lower than over here. Keep an eye on your RSI like that. All right, right now it's perfect. It's where it should be. No bullish divergence here on if we zoom in, there is on this low here, and that's a higher low inside. You do got some bullish divergence in here. All right, but just a little tip. I hope you got what I was saying. Sometimes I'm not real good at explaining that stuff like that, but that 4 hours, that 15.2 and 15.9, showing a little bit of weakness there too. But I want to see it hold 6.2. If it loses 6.2, watch for it to come down to 4 cents. Okay, and it's possible. I'm not gonna say it's not, because Bitcoin does an ABC. All right, the B wave up and the C wave down. You know, that is absolutely possible. Anything's possible, but yeah, right around 4 cents. Keep an eye, make sure it holds 6.1. You want to see that hold, all right? or 6 cents even. 6 cents has to hold. All right, we could get a nice double bottom here. If it comes down, it might turn up here at the 786. We'll see. But if it loses 6 cents, it's coming to 4. If we bounce here, that's great news. We'll deal with that on the next video. Right now, we're going to leave it there and see what happens. All right, thank you so much, guys. Have a great day, and I'll be back with you very soon.